Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the payment failed for the My Protection error on Cash App. If you have seen a message like this payment was declined for your protections or the payment was cancelled for your protections, don't worry, it's the same issue I have got to fix you. Step 1. Verify your identity. First, open your Cash app and tap on the profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and select Verify your identity. Follow the steps to complete the verification process. Step 2. Check the recipient details. Next, make sure you have entered the correct details of the person you are sending money to. Double check their account number, routing number, and cash tag to avoid any mistakes. Step 3. Contact Cash App support. If the issue still isn't fixed, go back to your profile, scroll to the bottom, and tap support. Then select payment, sending payment, cancel a payment. Now scroll to the bottom and tap chat. This will connect to you directly with the Cash App support. If they ask whether it's about a specific transaction, select not about a transaction to proceed. Once you are in the chat, explain that your payment was cancelled for protection and they should be able to help you to resolve. And that's it. By following this step, you should be able to fix the issue and successfully send your payment. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Thanks for watching.